What is up, guys? It's your boy Mark back at the new video for you guys today. So today we're jumping straight back onto the zx6r, and we're hopefully gonna get it started today. So we got the key in, and what you guys could see, fuel pump, but the speedometer's completely broken, so got a new one in. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and let it start up. Anyways, it's in my dog pawing my hair, but we're gonna go ahead and drain the oil if there's any left in there, and change the filter right here, and go ahead and pour some new oil in, and we'll see what happens after that. So let's get to it. And another thing, the handlebar didn't come in today. It's 100% coming in tomorrow, and this will be swapped. Maybe do a little bit of a test drive. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and start the time lapse now. Well, there's definitely some oil in there, but look how dirty that is. Definitely time for an oil change. So, I'm gonna go ahead, lean the bike up right now, and catch you guys when I'm done. I unscrewed this one so it's looser, but catch you guys when I'm finishing up this. So now I'm gonna go ahead, open this is the new one, old one, which this one actually looks pretty new, surprisingly. But I'm gonna open up the new one, and let's put around the gasket. Let's put around some oil, which feels like it is already, but let's grab some from here and just rub it around. Just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and screw this back into here and fill up the oil and start it up. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of this 10W40 and fill it into here, and then we'll see if it starts. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the time lapse. It should be 3 of these bottles, and yeah, so let's go ahead and start. So I'm gonna go ahead and start filling it and checking it, so let's do it. Alright, I went ahead and filled it up, not all the way. I still have a little, half of a bottle left. 2 bottles down. Let's see if we could start it up. Let's run it through and see what happens. Fuel pump. And let's do it. She runs. She started. Let's go again. She's starting. One more time. Any leaks anywhere? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off. But let's see if there's any leaks on this side anywhere at all. Under here. So far, so good. I mean, I guess now we just gotta see what's the level at, and let's fire it up again. Went ahead and opened up the door. Now I'm gonna close this up and run it for a couple, maybe a minute, and see what happens. Let's do it. See if there's any leaks or anywhere. Fuel pump. Start it. Anyways, guys, that is smoking a little bit, the exhaust. I think it's because there's no coolant, so I don't want to run the bike too long without any coolant. I am going to check it out tomorrow. I'm going to take off this fender. Tonight it's already like 12, so I'm going to go ahead and go to bed. But yeah, I'm going to take it apart tomorrow, check out the coolant, fill it up, and see if the radiator leaks or anything. Make sure to double check there's no leaks, and start doing all the cosmetics. So yeah, see ya. So anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and share with your friends. That'll be it. Like, subscribe, and yeah. So stay tuned for the next videos of this bike. Next one will be with the handlebar and the speedometer. So stay tuned and catch you guys next time. Peace.